Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05 on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, or we can use an application. Let's get started by create a widget. So press and hold at empty space. Then click Edit or Plus at the left top and add widget. Scroll down and you need to locate batteries. Here we go. Now tap on it and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add widget at the bottom. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds is turned on and connected to your phone. Now, the second option, as I said previously, is to use an application. And now just open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. And right here, your earbuds, of course, should be connected with your phone. And right here, we can check a battery percentages of the left one and right one earbuds, but not the charging case. You need to check this LED light to check it for the charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!